If God never let you down, repost this Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. So from my page you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for Ali and John YTT. And then from this page you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you just have to tap until you find that story, and you can also try these viral trends right here if you want. So from here you just have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. And I will go with this one right here, and you can place your sticker where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So yeah guys, and also if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find a story where I put a link to a YouTube video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.